So you may want to go ahead and change around your profile information as you like so that others can view your details as you go ahead and put in your profile. In that case, you can go around onto the top right hand side, and here you can see that my profile is an option. So right now you can see that I just have my public display name right here, but I don't really have any other information. So what I can do is I can simply go ahead and change around my profile information right here. So here what you can do is you can go ahead and add in your name. Let's say, for example, I'm just going to go around and say tutor right here in the first name, and over here I'm going to say tube. So this is the public display name, as you can see right here. So I'm just going to go around and say TutorTube channel sample right here, just like this, and it'll show up in the comments or blogs as well. Well, let me just go around and keep this as it is. You can see the public URL right here, just like this as well. So this is what you have. This is shown publicly when you comment on the blogs as well. You can go ahead and add in about me settings over here as well. Let's say, for example, I can go ahead and then let's say, for example, say this is a sample site that is made for the purpose of teaching users how to create their own website using wordpress.com right here, just like this. So if I were to go ahead and do that, I can simply go ahead and hit save, and the profile information will be saved right here. You also have an option right here to go ahead and change out the URL as well. You can search for another domain and buy this domain as well from over here. And that is how you can go ahead and update out your profile information inside of WordPress.com. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.